apple shiny and red, smiling so bright in the flower bed. B is for bunny, hopping around in the meadow with flowers on the ground. C is for cat, soft and sweet, chasing its tail with tiny feet. D is for dog, playing with the ball, barking with joy in the grassy hall. E is for elephant,